So we have this Starcraft pop-up trailer. It was used when we bought it. First time out, realized that there was a leak in this faucet here, but it was leaking behind the wall. And it's caused a little bit of subfloor issues here that we've also identified. So I couldn't find anything, like how do I access this? Wasn't sure how to take this unit off and replace it. So I had to just kind of experiment. I did ended up taking all of these screws off around the edge, and there's a little support bar here. I took that off. All of that was unnecessary. Turns out there's just two screws, one here and one back there, and this slides out. And you're able to access the back of the unit where you take off these screws, and then the piping, the water piping's back there. So I tested it after replacing it, no leaks. And turned the water on last night, it worked great. So I couldn't find anything online on how to do this. I just thought I'd post a quick video. If anybody else has a similar situation, that's how you get in there. Very easy. Not at all the challenge that I thought. Let me show you what I did underneath. Alrighty. So it's all PEX B tubing. What's in here is the PEX A tubing, but with B fittings. And I had the B set up. So I just replaced the tubing that came down from the shower and into the main lines here. And so, you know, you can see with my blue cold water tubing that I just kind of replaced everything with and joined it in with what was there. So a little hard to get the wrench to do the clamps in here. I did have to remove this support beam for one of them up here, but everything else I was able to access and get set up. So this is it's a 2006 trailer, so some of this PEX is starting to leak at other joints. So eventually I'll probably be replacing everything. But for now, on the upcoming trip, we have water. So